Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Advanced Find and selecting the entity you need. Once done, immediately remove unnecessary columns so the query runs faster. Next, add a basic filter, status equals active, or created on within the last 30 days, to limit rows. Make sure to switch the view if you want a different default grid. These initial steps avoid slow queries and let you validate the results set quickly before building complex criteria. You now construct the meat of the query by grouping conditions with and or, nest groups when a condition must apply only inside a subgroup. Once grouped, add related entity criteria to pull fields from parent or child records. This lets you filter across relationships. Use wildcards and date functions, such as last 7 days or specific ranges, to prevent missed records. Also, make sure to test each group by hitting results frequently so you catch logic mistakes early. You finish by running the query and scanning the results for expected records. Refine filters immediately if the set is too large or empty. Next, save the query as a personal view or export to Excel for analysis and sharing. If sharing is needed, save as system view with admin help. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify your security roles and relationship links. Missing permissions or incorrect related entity joins are the most common causes of missing records.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.